The United States, United Kingdom and Germany are deeply committed to supporting Ukraine as it defends itself against Russia's invasion by providing the multiple rocket launchers with guided multiple launch rocket system. On June 15, at the Ukraine Defense Contact Group in Brussels, Belgium, German Minister of Defense Christine Lambrecht announced that Germany would transfer 3 M270 Mittleres artillery Raketen system launchers and guide multiple rocket launcher system ammunition from Bundeswehr stocks. The transfer of these multiple rocket launcher systems and the associated training 3 countries will provide to Ukrainian operators is crucial to Ukraine's self-defense. The necessary training has already begun on the US HIMARS and UK M270 systems for their deployment in the coming weeks, and training on the German Mars launchers will begin very soon. The systems and their Ukrainian crews can be deployed urgently and without delay. The United States announced on June 1 that it would provide 4 M142 high-mobility artillery rocket systems and guide multiple launch rocket system munitions. On June 6, the United Kingdom announced it would donate 3 M270 rocket launchers with GMLRS munitions. Ukraine has specifically requested this capability, which will allow the Ukrainian armed forces to engage Russian army positions with accurate fire at ranges of approximately 70 kilometers.